Are you looking for a headset for Rainbow Six Siege? In this video, I will show you the 5 best headset for Rainbow Six Siege based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the HyperX Cloud 2. HyperX Cloud 2 features a newly designed USB sound card audio control box that amplifies audio and voice for an optimal hi-fi gaming experience, so you can hear what you've been missing. Open up a world of detail. Other gamers will never know the rustle of a camper's boot, the scuttle in a distant vent. This next-generation headset generates virtual 7.1 surround sound with distance and depth to enhance your gaming, movie, or music experience. The headset must be selected as the default audio device in your sound settings. The 4th product on the list is the Astro A40TR. Astro Audio V2 delivers pro-quality audio for gamers when they need it most, from live streaming in their living room to competitive play in the pits of a tournament. Designed for marathon gaming sessions, the A40TR is lightweight, comfortable, and built to last. Transform your A40TR into a closed-back noise-isolating headset for loud tournament environments. Astro's highly sensitive unidirectional mic focuses on your voice and minimizes background noise. It can be positioned on either side of the A40TR headset. Experience Astro Audio V2 for all types of gaming, including console, PC, and mobile. Comes with splitter for PC voice communication. The 3rd product on the list is the Sennheiser Game Zero. Designed for the gamer that demands no compromise audio performance, comfort as well as portability, the Game Zero is the classic stereo headset that meets the challenge. A closed acoustic headset with a unique foldable design, the Game Zero delivers high-fidelity audio with deep bass extension for an immersive experience. The Game Zero's original transducer technology delivers. The aviation-inspired split headband of the GSP 500 features adjustable contact pressure, and a 2-axis hinge mechanism delivers a customizable fit on different head sizes and shape. The 2nd product on the list is the Logitech G Pro X. Detachable pro-grade microphone featuring real-time blue voice technology, including noise reducer, compressor, limiter and more for cleaner, professional-sounding voice comms. Requires included USB external sound card, Windows PC, and Logitech G Hub software. Next Gen 7. 1 and object-based surround sound for greater in-game positional, distance, and object awareness during gameplay. Requires included USB external sound card, Windows PC, and Logitech G Hub software. Soft memory foam earpads with your choice of premium passive noise-canceling leatherette or soft, breathable velour for supreme comfort. Built to last with a durable aluminum fork and steel headband. The 1st product on the list is the SteelSeries Arctis Pro. Gaming's first certified high-res audio system pairs premium speaker drivers with next-generation DTS surround sound to produce incredibly accurate positional cues. Premium speaker drivers with high-density magnets that reproduce high-res audio out to 40,000 Hz. The Arctis Clear Cast bidirectional microphone has superior noise cancellation and clarity. The elastic fabric perfectly contours across your entire head, comfortably distributing the weight and eliminating pressure points. Athletics-inspired performance fabric airweave ear cushions keep your ears cool and dry. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.